Today's Midday Kentucky Cooking segment brought to you by Creative Kitchen and Bath, where you will always cook in style.
Welcome back to Midday Kentucky. Chef Allison Davis here, having too much fun in the kitchen with my friend Anthony Critchfield from Critchfield Meats.
Hello.
And we're trying to figure out this like country saying. So I'm going to ask our audience to maybe write in and tell us if they know this old saying, or come into Critchfield and tell Anthony himself. He'll love that.
I'll take it.
But we're making frog legs, and we're talking about that saying. You're finer than frog hair, I think is the saying.
I'm pretty sure
but I know somebody that's
saying.
watching knows that saying. But tell us what it means, finer than frog hair. All right, so we're making frog legs, so that's what started the whole conversation about that saying. But, you know, talking about Critchfield Meats, we wanted to bring in some different things because, you know, of course you've got your chicken, your beef, your pork,
lamb,
bacon.
But we also have frog legs.
Exactly. Yeah, so tell us about them.
Well, they come off of a frog. No.
No, they come in a case, right?
They come in a case. It's about a 5-pound case. I can break it open. I can sell it by the pound. I can sell it by the case. However I'll sell you one set of legs. I mean, however you want. They're not hopping right now, but they will be as soon as we throw it in the oil.
You're full of jokes today. Man, this is comedy hour with
That's one thing
Anthony.
I like to ask. I like to ask people when they come in. I said, "Is any particular piece jumping out at you? Because if it is, let me know. It's not supposed to."
So I think this would be fun for like, I know a lot of people do like pig roasts and just do like fun little barbecues. Like I have done catering actually where you can set up like a fryer outside like with your grill.
Definitely.
And so you could fry up some frog legs and then have it with like some grilled corn, you know, potatoes, you know, kind of like a Cajun theme. You could have some sausages. But this would be totally different and unique to kind of throw in the mix. But we're doing fried. I mean, you can do them grilled. I just like them fried because they stay a little bit more tender.
Actually, I think I've only had them fried.
Yeah. So we're going to get these in the oil, and hopefully they don't hop out on us. So these have been kind of soaking.
Don't want that to happen.
These have been soaking in a little bit of buttermilk, and you did a seasoned cornmeal. What did you put in here?
Salt, pepper, a little bit of Cajun spice, and paprika. That was just what I grabbed. It's kind of...
Well, that's easy. You know, a lot of times I always say less is more. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to like add everything under the sun that's on your spice cabinet.
It's KISS, right?
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple, stupid, right?
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Keep it simple. Just so you really get the flavor of the frog legs.
Yes.
You know, it's different. It does not just taste like chicken. It's a different flavor.
It's got its own little flavor.
But it's rich. It's really good. I've got a friend of mine. Her daughter just.
People love them. People hate them.
I had a case, and
I like them. So
my friend's daughter just ate them up. I mean, ate them up. She loved them. So this is kind of, you know, something cool and different, and you know, I think people are really going to like this. So in addition to like frog leg or amphibian, is that I'm not sure, but what other do you offer? Other things similar
to the frog leg? We have we get.
Like in terms of your seafood, you've got
different
crawfish, right?
We got some crawfish. We have some octopus. We carry calamari.
Now
we have other things.
With crawfish, could you get that in live if they pre-order?
If they pre-order it, we could definitely get it in live. Just give us about 24 hours. Right. 24 or 48 hour notice.
Yeah. So this is going to be perfect for like a little Cajun shrimp boil, or you know, just take it that next level. So you know where to find Anthony. You can go to Critchfield Meats over in the Zandale Shopping Center, and get yourself some frog legs. We're going to let these finish frying up, and we'll show you these. We're going to mix this. A little dipping sauce that we wanted to add to this is just a little simple sriracha mayo. You could do Cajun mayonnaise. You could do lime, cilantro mayonnaise. You know, there's a lot of different things, but that's a real easy way to create a dipping sauce. Yeah. Perfect.
That's it, right there.
All right, well, we'll see you at Critchfield Meats. We'll get some frog legs, some crawfish, some sausage. You all make your own boudin, too.
We make our own boudin, our own andouille.
Yeah.
Pretty much most all the sausages that we make now.
Awesome. Thanks so much. All right, guys, we'll be right back after this short break.